Hello, hello! Welcome to my channel. We're gonna do unboxing. So we're gonna do Temu and Amazon and Kura. So we're gonna start with Kura. I got 2 cents every month. Tama ba? Baliktad data. Tama? So, I got yung container, libre. Tapos, subscription mo, you get 2 scented every month. For $15 each. $30. You can change it. Pwede mong palitan yung scent. So, I'm waiting for my ugly sweater. Wala pa siya. So, let's see what's in here. This is for the door. Oh. Oh. Wow. Ang cute niya. Practice on the door. Tapos Christmas decoration. So I put the battery on this one. That goes over there. Cannot see because I didn't have eyeglasses. How this one go? First there. Alone. Now. Pause mo na natin. It's ready. Okay ba? You can put this on by the door. Just off na lang. Next. Ay, namatay na yung ilaw. Lights off. Turn up my lights. This is for the... Oh look! I have this. The window decoration. It's the dwarf. Tapos ito. Si Santa Claus ata to. I'm gonna put it on my mom's door. Snowman. It's the snowman. I love it, I love it, I love it. Put it on the door. Tapos, I got one more decoration. This is also one of the decoration. Ano ata ito yung parang gifts boxes design. Hindi ko na open. I put the picture on this side. So I'm opening Amazon. I forgot what this one is. Oh, the lotion. This is my mom's. I always order this one. Maganda tong lotion na to for dry skin. So, I think that's all. That's That's all my unboxing for now. I have a couple more coming. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we're not running for 100k. Thank you for all the love and support. Have a great day. Bye.